Hello everyone, let me introduce our second graduation filling machine. Let's switch on the power. Then you can find the filling page, setting page, cleaning page. Generally, we can directly go to the filling page and then stop at which page you need and press it. Step 2. And then select any of the send up date which you need. Press the button for confirm. When it shows ready, switch to fill. Like press one time is temporarily stop. Long press is exit. Okay, let me introduce you how to go from manual mode from automatic mode. Firstly, go to send up page and press the button. Secondly, select the group 1, press the button to show mode page. Okay, and the arrow turn to P01. Switch to rightwards and change 1 to 0. 1 means automatic, 0 means manual. Then keep pressing the button till you find the safe. Okay, let me show you the manual mode. Select the filling page. Select the group 1. Okay, it's ready now. You can touch the plant. It can filling now. Okay, it completed one filling. Okay, let me introduce you how to adjust the height according to the bottle height. As you know, this machine maximum filling height is 135 millimeter. Firstly, go to send up page and press the button. Secondly, select the group 1, press the button to show mode page. Okay, it's in mode page now. Thirdly, keep pressing the button till you find the P07. Okay, now you can switch to right and left direction and adjust the height. Okay, then keep pressing the button till you find the safe. Okay, now it's saved. Okay, let me introduce this machine cleaning mode. Firstly, you should select the cleaning page. Okay, press the button. Now it shows circle cleaning closed. Now we need to switch to clean. Press the button. It starts cleaning. It will cost 30 seconds to 50 seconds to complete cleaning function. Thirdly, make sure the tube out of the material bucket. Oh, now it's finished.